bloody pleasure to hear. What are you having lunch, are you? Ah, that's bloody good, mate. Hey, there's someone else trying to get in. I'll get back on the side. Hey, Mike, aren't you hearing the stage? Oh, Roger. Well, state side's coming in, so point that thing out to the northeast. Of course I can. Yeah, of course I can. Yeah, of course I can.
Hey, Wally, is that your neighbor you talking to over there? Hello, 330 Wally, World Radio 06, standing by.
What's around there, right? There's work going on today. Nothing happening there, Mike. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's the trouble. Anyway, come from the States with that beautiful big audio. The last sort of 2 or 3 months has been pretty good.
Hey, boy, I got kind of rough in there for a sec, Wally. I was just saying if you had a copy on this little weak station. Have a good day, 330, World Radio 06 around Northern California, standing by.
Good on you, mate. I love that bloody sound. Have a good day. Have a good day.
Okay, we'll do. A little traffic's finally starting to pick up. It's been kind of quiet over here all day, but, yeah, well, good to see the band's still there somewhat. Anyways, have a good day, and just so you know, you're maybe about a 5 and 6 over here. Just for your notes there. Have a good day. I'm QRT. Appreciate it in 7-3.
Enjoy the rest of your day. 44, cheers, catch you, mate. I couldn't hear Danny out there, Mike, but I can hear Phil out there, over. Who's that out there? I got bloody Tasmania coming in the back door, mate. Have a nice day, Rose. Yeah, they're coming in the bloody back door, over. That's right, it's strange people from California, is that a Roger? I tell you what there, mate, you couldn't be any stranger than we are over here. Have a nice day yourself. Good on you, mate, always playing with something. Good on you, 4840, bye-bye. That's what happens. It's organised chaos. And that bloody 44 in Tassie starts it all. Yeah, it's all Mike's fault. Talking about organised chaos. Chaos, how you going? You too, mate. there, Mike. How you going? 176. More radio. Very nice. They were selling it, Mike. No worries at all. Maybe, he can't hear you 44, so, you know what? Quiet. But anyways, no worries, Mike. Cheers for saying good day, mate. Always a pleasure. Good out there. 176 Orange County. G'day, Richard. How you doing out there? 000, Richard. Have a nice day. Thanks, Mike. Cheers, mate. Hey, Mike, you got another Mike over there. Mike over there in Orange County. Hey, you got 44 Tassie waving at you, Mike.
Where'd you go out there, Welding Machine? I thought I heard you key up here a second ago. Where'd you go, Welding Machine, around Western Australia? World Radio 06, standing by. I just heard you out there. I didn't want to stay too long. I was over here doing some stuff on the side. I had the radio on, and I thought I heard you out there. I haven't spoke to you in quite some time, so I just want to let you know my radio's still working. Have a good afternoon over there around WA, World Radio 06, Northern California. Standing by. Yeah, okay, I bumped the antenna a little bit, so hopefully it makes it a little bit better for you. I had it looking, directing kind of actually towards like Melbourne, so I had to go a little north to get it more your way. But anyways, have a good day, 7-3s. Get back over here and do what I was doing, and hopefully I'll catch you soon. And we'll pick it back up. World Radio 06, sometimes called 2 Echo Tango 006, 7-3s.
So it'll give me a 44. How you doing out there, mate, anyway? Pretty good, yeah. Oh, no worries, well, mate, we can make it a little bit, we can make it a little bit beautiful. Find out there 44 if he's trying to. Oh, no worries there, Mikey, good on you, mate.
656. I can hear you talking to 44 Chazzy over there.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that, mate. It's me, Wally. Just teasing him a bit there, over.
Okay. You know, you kind of jumped up in my radio a little bit, but yeah, well, man, you almost in the red now. Well, just so you know, but yeah, you're a good solid S9 now. I'll get with you.
Oh, gee, that stateside station there, it's even top choice. First class audio coming through. World Radio 7 in Tasmania.
I appreciate that, 697 over there around Tassie. I could probably knock this thing a few degrees. That'd be good enough. Probably pretty good anyways, but this 8-element quad is pretty dang directional, so every couple degrees helps. But yeah, we appreciate that. Not sounding too bad yourself over here. You're about a 5 and 9 on this side of Kilsaw.
Yeah, QSL there, mate. It's absolutely beautiful. Actually got World Radio 149, Rich. He's really strong there as well, about the same signal as you, around about a 9. But just couldn't help to come back and just let you know. Probably already know anyway. But how good you sounded out there. But I better not praise you up too much, but you might get forget. But best sounding station I've heard there for quite a few months actually. Bloody beautiful. All right, get on you, mate. Around stateside. Certainly a pleasure to hear that audio coming through. World Radio 677. I'll be back on the side.
Yeah, okay, we appreciate that, World Radio 677. Yeah, well, actually, I haven't touched the station for some time. I've kind of been running it for a while, so I haven't made too many changes. But I haven't been out here keying up lately, so I have been kind of missing in action here for a while. Just been messing around in other places on the band. That's all. But yeah, I do appreciate it. I'm on the I don't know if you're on the World Radio website, but you can find me in there too. I can give you a rundown of what's going on over here. So anyways, have a good day in 7.3s, World Radio 06. I'm back QRT.
Thanks very much. I'm sure we'll get the opportunity to hook up there in the not too distant future. Quite a few out there at the moment, but I didn't quite get your on a name. But anyway, it's okay. World Radio 677, operated Danny. We're going to get on the side here and just have a listen. Quite a few building up. So catch you later, mate. World Radio 677, Tasmania.
Yeah, okay, Danny. Well, 7.3s, and I'll be listening to here for a little bit, kind of back and forth on the radio. I got some things I'm working on, so I have one ear on the radio and one doing what I was doing. 7.3s, Danny, and I'll catch you soon. World Radio 06, Operator Larry, and I'm QRT.
Cheers, mate. We were just saying hello to you there, Reg. 149. We're just saying g'day to you.